So first of all, what are they and how do they happen? Blister or fluid-filled pocket that form in between the layers of your skins. They usually develop as a result of friction or pressure on the skin surface. When the top layer of skin separates from the lower layer, a small space filled with fluid creates a blister. This can happen during activities such as hiking or running or just by wearing inappropriate footwear. You might have forgotten to do any blister prevention, or you did it and you're like me and you get blister anyway. How do you treat them? If you're in the middle of nowhere, hiking, you have to do something. Move to a comfortable and clean area, preferably one with a flat surface and some shade if available. Clean your hand before touching the blister with hand sanitizer or soap and water if available to prevent any infection. Gather the necessary supply from your first aid kit, including sterile gauze, pad, antiseptics, wipes, medical tape, second skin, anything that you like to use. Examine the blister. Assess the size, location, and condition of the blister. Determine if it's intact or ruptured. If the blister is intact, gently clean the area and use a sterilized needle to create a small hole to allow fluid drainage. Make sure to empty as much fluid as possible. Apply antiseptic and cover it. If it is ruptured, clean the area. Make sure the fluid is completely empty, then trim away loose skin and apply antiseptic. Reduce friction. Apply moleskin or athletic tape on the affected area to reduce friction against your shoes or socks. Reassess your footwear. Examine your socks or shoes for any issue causing the blister. Adjust or relace your shoes to reduce pressure on the blistered area. I would also consider changing my socks. Proceed with caution once you've treated the blister, being mindful of discomfort and sign of infection. While you're hiking, keep an eye on it. Periodically check the blister for signs of infection during your hike. I would also regularly change my socks or reapply foot powder as needed. Seek medical attention if needed. Remember, prevention and treating blister is essential for a comfortable and enjoyable hiking experience. Follow these steps to keep blister at bay and make the most of your outdoor adventure. If you're unsure about how to treat a blister or if it has become infected, consult a healthcare professional. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more outdoor tips and adventure. Until next time.